So here's my little fix I found on Google, basically. Just, we've all had this possibly, where the iPhone won't charge. It's plugged in and yeah, it's switched on, but no matter what, you can't get it to work. It's knackered. Now the battery's obviously knackered, but we can get it to charge. But this won't fix the battery. The battery's knackered, it needs replacing, which you'll have to obviously take out, put a new battery in by lifting the screen up and stuff. But just for now, to get it working, what we're going to use a hairdryer, which sounds mad, but it works. So, turn your hairdryer on, put it on hot. Warm the back of the phone. For about 30 seconds, something like that. Just keep warming it. That should be enough. So the phone's warm now on the back. Now I'm going to try and turn it on. Voila! It works again. Now show it's not a fluke. And I know that's mad, I haven't got a clue how that works. But apparently some clever person on YouTube said, or Google, sorry, that when the battery gets warmer, it's able to charge faster. I don't know, the battery's clearly broke. I'll have to obviously order a new one, plus a new screen, but oh well, that's something else. So I'll just wait for it to start up. And there we go, it's on again. And you can see the battery says it's on 13%, but yeah, it works again. And look, it's coming on. There we go. And that's it, all working. Hope that helps someone. If it does, great. Right, bye.